Hey guys, we're out here primitive camping, Western Maryland yet again. So we were supposed to go to Pennsylvania, but they didn't allow us to bring chainsaws, which was fine. We were going to deal without that. We were going to cheat and bring our sawzall. But we also decided that we would call them before we left, and good thing we did, even though it was a half hour closer, because we do live in northern Maryland. They were not allowing any campfires this weekend. Not sure why. We've had lots of rain, but they said no campfires this weekend. So we jump shift, came out this way. I'm going to show you guys how we sharpen our chainsaw while we're out here and how easy it is. It took maybe 3 minutes, or it takes maybe 3 minutes. The tool was easily picked up at Home Depot or any Stalls dealer. You could probably get on Amazon, 9 million other places too, but wherever. So here we go. I'm going to show, Patrick's going to give us a little demonstration of how to sharpen a chainsaw. I'll show you guys what we did with it and how much wood we like to have when we're out here primitive camping. We lose sunlight about 6:45. We like it to last till at least about 11 o'clock. We cook all of our food over top of the campfire. We don't bring any camp stoves other than our backpacking stove to boil water for coffee in the morning. So we need enough wood for tonight. And tomorrow morning, since we got here late last night, we didn't get too much wood other than what we had around the campsite. So come check it out, sharpening a chainsaw. Sorry, it's sliding.
Maybe sit on, maybe sit on. They sell a tool that you hit into a piece of wood and it holds this in place, a bar in place, so you can sharpen it. It's leaking on my hand. Yum.
All right.
Leave your gloves. There's a fresh set right on the side if you want them.
Huh?
If you don't want to take this since they're soaked with gas.
Nah, because these are nice and thin. I can handle the chainsaw better with these.
Okay.
Let me see sharp right here.
So we're hunting for some wood. Pulled over on the side of the road here. Everything is so dead out here. Not having a whole lot of luck finding anything really, really good. But then we do, it winds up being pine, which will burn hot, but it will go fast through that. So I think we found one over here. Looks like the guy's got something we're going to try to get a couple pieces out of. Check out our sharpening. Let's see how that worked out. Gonna cut like butter. So that's our sample of our wood for one night. Possibly it would last us 2 nights, but we're gonna.
And breakfast, I think.
And breakfast tomorrow morning. We got here so late last night we didn't have to do too much wood. So that's our pile. We sharpened the chainsaw, we went hunting. BJ just split all that wood by himself. I got to finish my beer. Patrick did chainsaw it. I loaded it into the car. We're gonna call that a 3-man teamwork job right there. So if you need an idea of how much wood you need for one night when you're primitive camping, that's it right there. We'll see you guys next time.